Hello, good evening students. How are you all? Fine? Good. I think so. You have studied yesterday's question number 1 to 4. Correct? I have explained you question number 1, 2, 3 and 4, and today we are going to study question number 5, 6 and 7 of our paper pattern. Now question number 5 which is given here is match the following antonyms. What is meaning of antonyms? Antonyms means what? Antonyms means opposite words. Correct? In Marathi we call it विरुद्धार्थी शब्द. When we speak about opposite words, what does it means? They totally viruddha astat, correct? If it is top, then another is bottom. If one is rich, then another is poor, correct? If one is tall, the other one is short. Understood? Come on, tell me more examples of antonyms. There are many more examples of antonyms. If we will just check, it is in our English grammar book. Lesson number 11, the antonyms. Lesson number 11, the antonyms. Here it is told that antonym is another word for opposite. आपण opposite words पण म्हणू शकतो आणि आपण antonyms पण म्हणू शकतो. Opposite words म्हणजे काय? विरुद्धार्थी शब्द, एकदम विरुद्ध असणारे. ओके. Now here it is, question is given, match the following antonyms. 12 antonyms are given in the book. From 12 any 4 or 5 will come for exam. Now what is what is opposite or antonym of top? Top, top. Bottom, BOTTOM, bottom. HAPPY, happy. Happy, sad, SAD, sad. PRETTY, pretty. Opposite of pretty म्हणजे छान दिसणार. ऑपोजिट काय असणार त्याचं? अगली. ओके. UGLY, अगली. BIG, बिग. SMALL, स्मॉल. LOUD, लाऊड. लाऊड मीन्स वॉट? मोठा आवाज येणे. करेक्ट और नॉट? लाऊड. देन व्हॉट विल बी ऑपोजिट ऑफ लाऊड? स्लो. येस और नो? ही स्पीक्स व्हेरी स्लोली. शी स्पीक्स व्हेरी लाऊडली. लाऊड, स्लो. Next one is bright, BRIGHT, bright. There is a bright night today. Correct? Yesterday was there. Yes or no? Yesterday was Kojagiri Purnima. Then at night there was moon in the sky. Then moon looked bright. Then which word will be opposite of bright? The word which will be opposite of bright, where it went? BRIGHT, bright. What will be? DULL, dull. Seventh one is HUGE, huge. Huge means big. Opposite of huge will be what? Tiny. There is a tiny ant. TINY, tiny. Eighth one is careful. Opposite of careful will be careless. CARELESS, careless. Ninth one is rich. RICH, rich. When person is rich, at that time what do you say? अरे तो खूप श्रीमंत है. And then opposite of rich will be what? Poor. Okay. 10th one is simple. His lifestyle is very simple. He lives simple life. Then what will be opposite of simple? Difficult. Or then you will say my problem is very simple, I will solve it. And if problem is very difficult, what you say? It is not that simple. Okay. So simple, difficult. Fast. What will be opposite of fast? Fast is slow. Fast, slow. Then loud. What will be opposite of loud then? See here, LOUD, loud, quiet. Okay. Then FAST, fast, SLOW, slow. Okay. I did mistake. Loud, quiet, fast, slow. PROUD, proud. Opposite of proud will be as it is. In front only it is given humble. Okay. In this way, question number 5 is what? We have to match the antonyms. Opposite words काय करायचे? Match करायचे. Sixth question is answer the following questions. Whatever question answers will be there in your book. From which lesson I have told you? Lesson number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now lesson number 6. In the world of biscuit or In a biscuit factory, question answers are not there. In 7th lesson, question answers are there. Khashaba Jadhav. Correct? See here. There are many questions in this lesson. Who takes part in Olympic Games? Then you have to write down. Khashaba Jadhav takes part in Olympic Games. What medals are given in Olympics? Silver, gold and bronze medals are given in Olympics. Where was Khashaba Jadhav born? Come on, tell. Khashaba Jadhav was born in Satara district. Okay. Then what sports did he like? He liked everything. He liked many sports. Which sports did he like? He loved watching wrestling, boots, correct? He liked kabaddi, malkhamb, running, swimming and gymnastics, correct? Then more, which questions are there? How many boots did Khashaba Jadhav win in Helsinki? How did the people in Khashaba's village welcome him? Did the principal get his house back again? Yes, his principal got the house back. Then next lesson, here it is. Why is the bee called a busy bee? Because it does lot of work for the what do you call it? For its family, you can say. What work do young bees do? I have given you answers of all these questions. Okay, what do the older bees do? They go and bring nectar from the and pollen from the flowers, correct? Older bees are doing what? They bring nectar and pollen from the flowers and carry them back to the comb. What weapon does the bee have? It has a sting, correct? Dank martat, yes or no? It has a sting, that is its weapon. When does the bee use its weapon? When we hurt them or when they are in trouble, correct? When they feel that they are in trouble, at that time they use the sting. Okay, in this way, in lesson number 7 and lesson number 8, question answers are there. In lesson number 9, question answers are not there. In lesson number 10 also, question answers are not there. 7 and 8, 2 lessons are having question answers. You have to study question answers from these 2 lessons. Okay, and the last one is underline the adjectives of quality in the following sentences. Now adjectives of quality, where it is? Here it is, question number 1, page number 16. Underline the adjectives of quality in the following sentences. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. A word that describes the kind or quality of a noun is called an adjective of quality. When we speak about the quality of a noun, at that time we discuss what? We discuss adjective of quality. Understood? ज्यावेळेस आपण कोणाच्या क्वालिटीबद्दल बोलतो त्याला ॲडजेक्टिव्ज ऑफ क्वालिटी म्हणतात. क्वालिटी कोणत्याही पर्सनची. ओके, नाउ हियर सम एक्झाम्पल्स आर गिवन. व्हॉट बिग आईज यू हॅव, ग्रँडमा सेड शी. बिग इज what? Big is quality of a grandma having big eyes. Okay, there are many. The tall mountains seemed impossible to climb. Tall, quality of mountains is given. What is quality of mountains? Mountains are tall. The huge submarine was found by the divers. Then huge is what? It is quality of a submarine. So huge is what? Huge is adjective of quality. Next one, the quick fox caught the little pig. Correct or not? The quick fox, then quick is what? Adjective of quality. It is quality of a fox. Even little pig is also there. Little is quality of a pig. Pig is what? Pig is little. Then pig is what? Noun. And then the word which describes noun is what? Adjective of quality. Then little is quality and even quick is quality. Quick fox. Fox is how? Fox is quick. So that is also quality of a fox. In this way we have studied 7 question answers. Yesterday 4, today 3, and you have to appear for exam. Best of luck. Study well. Complete your all studies till Sunday of all subjects. You have only 4 subjects. Complete your studies and prepare for exam. Okay, thank you.